My name is Jenna Palant, and I'm a style-crazed full-time creative living in sunny San Diego. In 2016, my husband and I purchased our forever home, and now, in between balancing my upholstery business, our 4 dogs, and just life in general, I'm going to renovate our home room by room, project by project myself, with some fun help from a few of my friends along the way. And I'm going to share it all with you right here on YouTube. So, are you ready to see a room bloom? I sure hope you're ready to see a room bloom, y'all, because it's finally time for the big reveal on our master bedroom home renovation project. Yep, in between running my upholstery business, helping my interior clients, and writing my design style blog, this 50 Shades of Tan bedroom space has taken a chunk out of my 2019. We ripped up that nasty shag carpet in episode 15, installed some rainbow-tastic wallpaper in episode 16, and then created a one-of-a-kind headboard footboard in episode 17. Pretty much leaving bedding, furniture staging, and artwork on the old to-do list. For our master bedroom space, I wanted to finally get around to framing some of the sentimental items from me and Dee's courtship and our 2015 elopement. So I went and visited my friends at San Diego's most experienced frame shop, The Frame Maker in South Mission Hills, where their designer Tom always delivers on my colorful requests and usually gives me a couple of options I hadn't even considered.
But I think that that's going to look fantastic on there.
Yeah, I agree.
And I love this green and the tomato red.
Yeah, you've given me really good options of like different things that I would have never ever picked out myself. I mean, of course, I love
That's
color.
why I'm here.
That's like a good job, Tom.
And I know you now.
Besides framing these various priceless items, I also commissioned the frame maker to create a custom deco-inspired mirror as well for the master bedroom space. While I waited on the frame maker to work their framing magic, my contractor friend Steve and I wrapped up the remaining electrical work, which included installing the Samsung Frame TV, the his and her wall sconces, and the new contemporary haiku fan from Big Ass Fans, which, for whatever reason, was more difficult than I had initially remembered from the family room renovation project. Now that the electrical was all checked off my list, it was time to start staging all the additional furniture. As the only current furniture within the space was, of course, the bed from our headboard footboard project and the vintage dresser me and Dee purchased online without ever seeing it in person first. Luckily for us, the pictures did do it justice, and my upholstery colleague Doug was gracious enough to help me lug that heavy piece of furniture into the room upon its delivery.
Oh God, that is solid wood.
You got that right.
We also carried in the retro shades Doug and I tag teamed recovering in the Homebird Upholstery Studio, creating a visually stunning piece for the space while also providing a comfortable bed for me and Dee's youngest but largest dog, Cash. Then it was time for me to get crack-a-lackin' on all the final details, making up the bed with a pieced-together set I created using items from both West Elm and Amazon. Accessorizing our nightstands with simple yet effective decor items. Next, figuring out where to place/hang all the sentimental items the frame maker framed for me, which included the artist commission Your Mess Is Mine banner from our 2015 elopement. The frame maker also knocked it out of the park with the deco-inspired mirror. I also decided very last minute to implement one more additional reupholstered piece into the master bedroom space, which included this funky chair I got on sale a couple years ago, but wasn't too thrilled with its original upholstery. I think its new flower power is the perfect touch of female energy to my side of the room. I also took a page straight out of my childhood memories, creating a display piece with my wedding brooch bouquet, just like my mother did with her silk one back in the day. Then a quick sweep of the vacuum across that purple party carpet. All right, home enthusiasts, are you ready to see what was originally 50 Shades of Tan go from blah to da? Well, without further ado, or should I say projects, I give you our new, oh so colorfully improved, completed master bedroom renovation project. Just like with the family room space I renovated last year, I have had so much fun flexing my interior design muscles within the walls of our own home. This space has transformed into a bold his and her retreat, filled with lots of love, my elbow grease, and priceless sentiments galore. I just know this is a room of our home we will treasure for years to come. To see all the pictures of this master bedroom up close and personal for yourself, please visit my design style blog, luckylittlemustardseed.com. Okay, so now that that room has bloomed into its full potential, where should we head next? To stay up to date on all my home renovation projects, please make sure to hit that subscribe button on the Room Blooms YouTube page. It's that red one that says subscribe. That way you'll know which room I'm renovating next when I announce it in the next week or two. I also highly recommend hitting that bell symbol that miraculously shows up after you hit subscribe. Hitting that bell will give you a notification every time a new episode loads. How rad is that? All right, color lovers, that's it for me on this master bedroom renovation project. Join me back here next episode to find out what room I'll be renovating next. Stay tuned.